look how much this batter has grown. Now we're going to punch it. And we're going to divide it into pieces. Now we're going to floor the table. Now we're going to net the dough again. But now with hands. Now you have to punch down the air by doing like this. And then you will divide it into 20 pieces. So you have to divide the dough into 20 pieces and you weight it. It has to be 50 grams. Now as you see, that is 50 grams. So take the dough and roll it like this when you've got 50 grams and divide some more. Shape the dough and fill it with cheese and sausages. When you're done dividing it, you have to shape it like what I just told you. So how you shape it is you have to roll it into a ball and then make it a little long like this and then place it down. So now I'll teach you how to do the filling. You have to get one cheese, place it like this, and one sausage and place it like this. And all you have to do is roll it up. And now you will put like this and then you have to seal it. How you seal it is you pinch it just like this. When you're done, it should look like this. And you'll bring it to this tray. Make sure you place wax paper on the tray. And then you have to place the thing that we just made upside down. So this was the one we pinch. It has to be below. Ding! So this is another way to seal the bread. All you have to do is cut 6 of these, but like leaves, make it like leaves, but don't cut it like the whole way like that. And then you braid it, like how you braid a human's hair. We are done shaping and filling all the bread. Now we'll leave it another 30 minutes before we put it in the oven. And if you have some leftovers, you can eat it! Ding! So guys, 30 minutes has passed. Now you have to brush some oil on the bread. When you're done brushing oil on the bread, put sesame seeds on top. We're going to put it inside the oven. The oven is already preheated, so all we have to do is just put it inside. Make sure to have parents to help you or supervise you. And you will bake it for 15 minutes in 210 Celsius from my oven. Now I'm brushing it with oil. And I'm putting sesame seed. It's done. I'll put it in the oven when the other part is already done. So it has been 15 minutes and the bread is done. Now we'll put the second bread when we pull out this one. Put in the second bread. When it's out of the oven, you brush it with butter. Let's transfer one by one these breads to this rack. We use these pinchers because the bread is very hot. Now we're ready to eat. And if you want to eat it, you can eat it with either milk, tea, or coffee, or even